Hello everyone, heartily welcome to my channel. This is me Neha, and in this video I will try to explain each and every step so that your curls stay for longer. But before curling, apply heat protection spray and evenly spread with the help of your fingers. And do not forget to comb after spraying. Detangle all your hair strands nicely. Use both the combs, pointed one as well as wide tooth comb. Here I'm using Vega 3-in-1 hair styler, and you need these kind of clips. You can use this one too. Tic tac also. Do partition and हेयर एंड्स पर लेके जाना है एंड देन अपोजिट में रोल करना है. रोल इट नाइसली, स्लोली 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 फाइनली. और ऊपर से तो होल्ड करना बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. अपने हैंड से स्कैल्प के साइड पे होल्ड करना है लाइक दिस एंड देन rotate your styler nicely and then just open it at the end like this. अभी अच्छे से रैप करना है. सर्कुलर मोशन में रैप किया एंड देन क्लिप से टक कर देना है. Do the same with the rest of the hairs. Do partition, comb it nicely before curling and then curl. एंड्स तक लेके जाना है. Count till 30 seconds and then remove your curl. Tuck in a clip. Do the same with the rest of the hair. Here I'm using Vega 3-in-1 hair styler, so it's easy for me to rotate my curler. Now I'm done. I'm looking beautiful in short hair, isn't it? Now you have to wait for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, open your curl. Use spare cloth and then shake your spray bottle before use. Maintain 6 inches gap and then evenly spread on your curl. And after spraying again, you need to roll your hair nicely and tuck in a clip. And do the same with the rest of the hair. Doing curling on long hairs, it's not an easy task. This curling literally sucks your blood out. After 5 minutes, open all your curls. Now this is the final result, and try to create some puffiness. अच्छे से fingers को लेके जाना है बालों में and try to create some puffiness. And it's very important to do like this. It's very important so that your curls not go here and there. It's mandatory to create some puffiness. Now you're good to go. I'm done with my curling. Now it's my time to flaunt it. This is it for the video. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Stay healthy.